Hi everyone, Surgit this side, and I am a third year law student from India. I would be telling you about my freelancing journey, like how it started and now how is it going. So I started my freelance journey with help of Losico freelance team, and I started my journey in the month of April 2021 by just creating my profile on Fiverr. On Upwork. So I started with Upwork, and within 2 days, I was able to get my first job on Upwork, and that was for near about 70,000 rupees. But but due to some violation on client's end, that job got deleted from Upwork itself. So I was disheartened, but still Priyanka ma'am told me, she motivated me to apply for other jobs also. So I applied for near about 10 jobs, 10 other jobs. So, but I didn't even get a single reply from clients. So I stopped applying, and I thought that this is not for me. The freelancing work is not for me. I won't be able to get any freelance work on any of these platforms. So I just left the hope and I stopped applying for the jobs. Then Priyanka ma'am, she motivated me and she told me to create a profile on Fiverr also. So I created my profile on Fiverr in the month of May 2021. But again, for next 1.5 months, I was not able to get any opportunity or order on Fiverr also. So I was back to my normal life, like my college classes, my judiciary classes, and all. So uh, again, in month of July, I was able to get my first freelancing work on Fiverr, and that work was for writing assignments and reports for a client. The client was an Indian client, so I was well aware like how to write assignments and projects for him. So the feeling was amazing because till that time I was writing assignments and projects for myself, like for my college projects and assignment, but I was not getting paid for that. Now I'm getting paid for that, for writing a simple college simple assignments and reports for the client. So the feeling was amazing because I was getting paid, obviously. And then it didn't stop there. The freelancing work didn't stop there. After that, in the month of August, I was able to get another freelancing order that was for $400. The client was from USA, and I got $400 from that client. And when I delivered the work, the client was impressed so much that he again placed the order for 400 works. Now the client is my long-term client because he liked my work so much that whenever he has any requirement, he comes and he places the order. Now after apart from these two clients, till now I've completed two other freelancing orders also. So till September 2021, I was able to earn near about $1,200 through Fiverr. So it is a huge amount for me as a student because till now I was not able to earn even a single penny, but from freelancing I was able to earn $1,200, and the amount is huge for me. Like, not for me, also for anyone uh, in this, like in any college student or like any student, the amount is huge. So I would like to thank Losico for the support, and especially Priyanka Karwa ma'am. Priyanka Karwa ma'am is the head of freelancing team, and she helped me a lot. I would like to thank her for the constant support that she provided me, because without that I won't be able to get any of these opportunities on like Fiverr, or now I'm getting opportunities on Upwork also. So I won't be able to get any of these opportunities. And what I learned from all these things is that we should never lose the hope and we should keep trying. And I would also like to thank Ramanuj sir and Abhyuday sir for hosting that bootcamp for judiciary that they hosted in month of March. That bootcamp actually prompted me to enroll for Losico judiciary course, and through which I got connected with Priyanka ma'am, and she helped me with this freelancing thing. So I would like to tell every student, like, Losico not only does provide support and motivation to the student, they also provide something like they analyze the hidden skills that students have. Like for example, if I take my case, so what happened was I just started with creating my profile on legal writing, like legal content writing or article writing. So I just started with that. But Priyanka ma'am noticed that I have a very good handwriting. So she told me that I should provide handwriting services as well. So after that, after her suggestion, I just created my profile for handwriting services also, and the results are are here, like in front of everyone. I earned near about $1,000 for handwriting services. So like the skill that initially I was going to provide, from that I earned near about $200, and the skill that Priyanka ma'am told me has, like the hidden skill in me was my handwriting. So from that I earned near about $1,000. So this is what Losico does. Losico analyze the hidden skills that is in the student. So I would recommend Losico to every law student that you should try once.